Knockout removes the bottom layer from two overlapping objects. Where the top layer touched, a part of the bottom layer is retained. I have set up the text and placed an artwork image from the Scan and Cut onto the design page. In the Sequence View window, select All Items. Click on the Arrange tab, choose Horizontal Center and then Vertical Center. You don't have to center to use Knockout. However, the item to be knocked out should be on the top. Choose Transform Artwork and then Knockout. The sewing machine has been embedded into the text. For more information about this and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.